Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Ravi. He lived in a small village. His family was poor, and everyone around him believed that life would always stay the same. People used to say, "We are born poor, and we will die poor." But Ravi was different. He used to look at the sky every night and say to himself, "If the sky has no limit, why should my dreams have one?" One day, his teacher asked all students, "What do you want to become in life?" Some said farmers, some said shopkeepers, but Ravi said, "I want to build a big company that helps people." Everyone laughed at him. "Ravi, you can't even afford shoes," one boy said. "Dream something possible," said another. But Ravi smiled and replied, "Dreams are not about what we have today, they are about what we can become tomorrow." Years passed. Ravi went to the city for higher studies. He didn't have much money, so he worked part-time in a small cafe. He studied at night and worked in the day. Sometimes he had no food, but he never gave up. He always remembered one line his teacher once said: "If you think small, you achieve small. If you think big, you create magic." Ravi started reading books about successful people like APJ Abdul Kalam, Elon Musk, and Ratan Tata. He learned how they turned their dreams into reality. He started believing that big thinking creates big possibilities. One day, Ravi got an idea. He noticed that many villagers didn't know how to sell their products online. So he created a small website to help them. It failed at first. But he didn't stop. He improved it again and again. After a few years, that small idea turned into a successful business that connected thousands of farmers and sellers across India. Ravi became a young entrepreneur who changed many lives. When people asked him the secret of his success, he said, "The only difference between ordinary and extraordinary is thinking big." He went back to his village and built a free school for poor children so that they too could dream big. And from that day, the people who once laughed at Ravi started teaching their kids, "Never limit your dreams. Think big, work hard, and believe in yourself." Sparkle's moral of the story: if your thoughts are big, your life will also become big. Dreams have no limit, only your mind creates them.